I'm Norm Younker. I'm an attorney at the law firm of Fabian and Clendenin. I practice almost exclusively representing patients and the families of patients that have been injured by medical malpractice. I grew up in a small community in rural Utah where there were no lawyers in our town. I really didn't know what a lawyer was or what a lawyer did except what I had learned on Perry Mason. I went to law school because I had had a couple of teachers in high school that said because I could debate that I would make a good lawyer, but I didn't know what I was getting into. But in law school, there was a class that was taught by a doctor who was also a lawyer, and it was on medical malpractice. And I fell in love with the subject matter. I found it very interesting and also very challenging. So when I graduated from law school, I obtained a clerkship with a firm that specialized in defending hospitals, doctors, and healthcare providers, and I worked with them for 7 years. After 7 years, I realized that there are many cases where patients have legitimate claims. I also realized that the injuries these people had sustained were life-changing, and that as a defense lawyer, I was trying to prevent them from receiving a fair recovery. I was working to prevent them from improving the quality of their lives, and on a certain level that bothered me. And I had an opportunity to represent a client in one contingency case as representing the injured party, and again I fell in love with it and decided that was what I wanted to do.